guys, welcome to my channel. Rosa's Parrot.
Rosa lived in a little
Pink house.
on a little
Blue street.
in a little.
Brown town.
Oh, very good.
Brown town.
So this is Rosa's town.
Where's Rosa?
I don't know.
Maybe this one is Rosa.
Ah.
Wait, let me just
And who's the other kid?
wait, let me just see Rosa. I think this is the Rosa one.
Okay, we'll go to the next page. Who's the other kid? This one?
I don't know.
I don't know anyone.
Now this.
She lived alone with her parrot.
I think they're just a stock on Pico.
Hmm?
There's just a sock on Pico.
There's just a what?
And there's a sock.
A sock, yeah. Okay, she lived alone with her parrot.
Pico.
Okay, Rosa was hard of hearing. It means she is.
I cannot hear you.
Every morning at 6.
Wait, there's a hot chocolate right there.
Oh, so you know the story. Every morning at 6, Pico woke up. He said in a small, quiet voice.
And my rose, my chocolate rose.
He said in a small, quiet voice, "Little Rose, my chocolate."
Real rose, my chocolate.
Yeah, he liked hot chocolate. But Rosa lay in bed sleeping, and he said in a bigger voice,
Rose, my hot chocolate.
But Rosa still lay in bed. "Big Rose, my chocolate."
Then Pico said again.
Yeah, at last Rosa got out of the bed, and they both had hot chocolate.
There's selling the milk boy.
Boy, who is it? Asked Rosa. "Who is it?" shouted Pico. The man at the door cried. "The man with the milk."
Cried this man. Why cried?
Cried means he shouted, not cried like crying with tears. "The man with the milk," shouted Pico, and Rosa bought some. Later came another knock. "Who is it?" asked Rosa. "Who is it?" asked Pico. The man at the door cried. "The man with the
Potato.
tomatoes."
Tomatoes. Yeah.
Pico.
Ah.
Wait, I cannot see. Pico hid his head behind the green, I cannot see, green parrot wing.
That's his.
"Not today," he giggled. When Rosa went to the door, the man had left. Where did he go? If that was the man with the tomatoes, we need some. Oh, so Pico said they don't need tomatoes today. And she put her hat on her head. Quiet as a stone, Pico sat on her hat. He looked like part of the hat. Can I see? Yeah,
Mama.
like that.
Mama, look, see? It looks like he's hanging on the tree.
So this is Rosa, and that is Pico. One morning, it went like this. There was a knock on the door. Rosa and Pico went off to the market. They passed Mayor Flan, who nodded politely. "Where are you going?" he asked. "What?" asked Rosa. "Where are you going?" Pico called. "To market," said Rosa. smiling back. I will go with you, said Mayor Flan. And Mayor Flan, Rosa, and Pico went to...
Mayor Flan.
Yeah, they went to...
Sexton Flan.
market.
Pika.
They passed Inez, the flower woman. What's her name? Inez,
Inez, the flower.
who offered a pretty flower. Where are you going? Asked Inez. What? Rosa said.
This one?
Where are you going?
This is Inez.
Yeah,
And who's
maybe.
this?
Maybe that is Mayor Flan.
Wait, let me see Mayor Flan. Where's Mayor Flan?
Yeah, that is Mayor Flan.
Oh, yeah, so this is Mayor Flan, not this. Not
The
this.
same.
Not this is not Mayor Flan.
That's the same Mayor Flan. Look. Look at the pajama.
No, but there's just wearing this the same, but this is the grandpa of her.
Making stories. Okay, where are you going? Cried the parrot on the hat. To market, said Rosa, smelling the bloom. I will go with you, said Inez. So who went with them? Mayor Flan and Inez.
Wonder Woman.
And Mayor Flan, Inez, and Flower Woman. Rosa and Pico went to the market. They passed Pepe, the violinist, who played a sweet song. Where are you going? Asked Pepe, waving his bow. What? Said Rosa. Where are you going? Called Pico. To the market, Rosa said. I will go with you, said Pepe. May my dogs go too? Okay, said Pico from the hat. So the dogs went also with them. So Mayor Flan, Inez, the flower woman, Pepe the violinist, and his dogs, Rosa and Pico went to the market. Who is the flower woman?
I don't know.
Inez.
Yes.
How about the one playing the violin?
Pepe.
Pepe, very good. And he has pet? What's his pet?
Dogs with eggs. Wait,
Dogs.
let me see the dogs. One dog and
Only one, two dogs.
And
I think
three dogs.
Is it a dog? Okay. So he has 3 dogs.
Wait, that's the hand. I thought that's the
yeah.
dog.
That's the hand
Wait,
of
Mama.
Rosa.
It's made of it's made of a color.
It's like a painting.
Mama, it's made of a color. I think it's a paint. Mama, I
painting.
should paint the another books
Okay.
that don't have any colors.
Okay, tomorrow. Rosa stopped at the stall of the egg seller. Then she stopped at the stall of the tomato seller, counting coins. She was about to pay the tomato seller. Pico sat on her hat. He looked down at Pepe's dogs. Meow! He called and hid behind the parrot wing. So what did Pico say? He said,
Oh no!
meow.
Pepe said.
No,
Pico said.
Pico said meow.
No.
The dogs were sure it was the market cat. They raced between the legs of Pepe, the violinist. Bravely, Pepe held on to his prized violin. Tomatoes and flowers and eggs flew through the air, hitting everybody. Whoop, bump, meow. Pico repeated, laughing so hard it fell off Rosa's hat. Rosa ran home as fast as her lump legs could carry her. She unlocked the door and took off her hat. "Hey, Pico," she sighed sadly. "Such a bad bird. Go sit in the corner silently." The parrot sat and sat for hours, his long tail dropping. At last, in a very small, very quiet voice, Pico spoke. What do you think Pico said? Rosa said nothing. Then he turned in a bigger voice.
My love, my rose.
"Rose, my chocolate." Still, she said nothing. Soon, Pico puffed himself and shouted, "Big Rose, my chocolate." "Hey, Pico," laughed Rosa. "What will I do with you?" And the parrot said nothing. They both had hot chocolate. The end.